As you can see that I am wearing this outfit. Now I am wearing abaya on it, and here is my abaya, and now I am wear it right now. I am here and I am wearing this abaya. Now start the tutorial of hijab. But before starting, I am telling you that I am eating this. It's so amazing in taste. This is the this funnel, and you know what is this? I'm eating this. So today's tutorial is something special for you guys. I am thinking a lot and watching so much tutorials. This tutorial is not here on YouTube. So let's get started. New style. Here's my dupatta. Putting the dupatta here. First of all, you are wearing this catcher here and putting the dupatta on it like this, like this. Hmm? Now I am this part set here like this, and this part I am using niqab from here like that. Putting a pin, sorry, here, and pin up from here. Look at that, it is so easy tutorial. Ready to go, ready to go. Put one pin here if you secure it. And here we go. This is complete and done. If you like gloves, you can put on your gloves. In today's video, I am not wearing gloves. Bye bye. This is the final look. Bye bye.